India's digital payments ecosystem is undergoing a dynamic transformation, propelled by innovations and collaborative efforts that not only drive the nation's progress, but also enhances people's quality of life. SBI Payments, a joint venture between the State Bank of India and Hitachi Payment Services, is catalyzing the success of Digital India by introducing a state-of-the-art digital payment platform for the citizens, empowering them to transact cash-free using multiple digital payment modes. Hitachi is revolutionizing the digital payments in India by facilitating secure and swift transactions at various touchpoints, including restaurants, shops, fuel stations, toll plazas, and metro stations. This not only accelerates the acceptance of digital payments nationwide, but also largely improves the payment experiences of people, simplifying their daily lives.